That card is mine. It says, please come rescue me. I'm all alone in the parking lot. I'm all alone. I'm just waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I've been waiting for you all night. I don't actually know how long it's been there, but I can only assume it's been abandoned, and it was hoping that somebody with abandonment issues such as yours truly would see it and come scoop it up. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. So look, y'all, look at all these damn hats. Just ridiculous. And I have more hats. Oh, my hotep hat. Hotep Nation. The only nation that makes any sense. That's my flip phone. An unconventional decision that makes sense. Why don't you do this, America? Why don't you do this? Oh, because you have to raise your hand? You have to raise your hand in order to do this? And then people vilify you and make you look stupid and embarrass you in front of the whole classroom? That's why you don't do that? Because you're ashamed? I understand. Well, maybe if you did this, you won't be so ashamed, because none of these fucktards live in this country especially. But none of these fucktards that are in Western civilization, mainly what I call Western demoralization. The West is not the best, obviously, if people are this fucking dumb. At least in Somalia, you know, the water's dirty. You know? I mean, it's ridiculous. Like, if you go to a third world country, you expect it to be a third world country. You go to a first world country, you expect it to, you know, not be total shit. But that's the lie. That's the lie. But yeah, if people trusted God more than trusting their fellow man and trusting their teachers and trusting their authority, the corporate masters, as George Carlin would call them, if they did that, they wouldn't be so miserable and they wouldn't be so dumb. But yeah, we got a lot of words for them, obviously. Still looking for Lucky Yeshua. Still can't find Lucky Yeshua. Still upset we can't find Lucky Yeshua. But it's okay. We have this apple. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I don't know about that, but I feel like I could come up with a joke for that. An apple a day. Like, I've been trying to think of one, like, just like a pun for that, and I can't think of one. It's making me upset, because I'm a very funny person, and I'm very creative. I should have come up with something already, but maybe we will. You know, you could add to it an apple a day, a carrot a day. You know? That's one of the cool things about working in a grocery store. There are all kinds of jokes to go around. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna shoot till the battery runs out because I'm already late. But I do know I gotta charge the battery though. That's something I most definitely have to do. Lucky Yeshua. Hey, even if you don't find him, you at least cleaned out your car. It's not like he's not in your heart. Come on, man. Calm down. I guarantee you he's at the house. If he's not here,
You wouldn't have put him on top of your car. You wouldn't have done that. You're not that dumb. Well, actually, no, I take that back. You are pretty dumb, but I don't think you would do that, though. And you would have heard it. If you had done that, you would have heard it. You would have heard it crash. You would have heard it fall. You know? You know.
Oh, little lucky leaf.
I get excited about things like that. You see, you got all this water. Yeah, I do have a lot of water in here.